got CEO Mac over here, now taking over the reins of the boat. Everything's going stellar so far.
You got the Asian click right there.
I got everything going on. The lovely ladies we came down with that we're gonna get with tonight, perhaps. Woo! Yeah! Here we are, Cuba 07, with our new captains. We got Macklin as co-captain,
First mate,
and Jay Sim as a captain for now.
This is episode 2. We're traveling to